Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. In this video we're going to be planting herbs in a cup. Okay, we're using potting soil, and this is natural organic brand of potting soil that I bought at my local supermarket for, I think it was $2.50. So this coffee cup, my friend, has a chip on the side, so I'm just going to upcycle or recycle this coffee cup. So we're going to make this in a nice little herb garden. Okay, so first, before we get started, I'm not going to be using drainage for this or installing drainage for this. I'm just going to put the soil directly into the cup. Okay, and we're gonna fill it up. And another thing, guys, this tool that I'm using is actually a soup spoon from the Oriental store, and it makes a good scoop for when you're planting or doing your gardening. Okay, so here we go. We're filling up the cup with some soil, and all the way up. There we go. This is nice. Okay, so our spring onion is here. I've cut off the top to use, and then the bottom I've saved for replanting. Okay, so I'm going to use the end of this spoon to make a nice little hole to insert my onion. Okay, so spring onion in a cup. Now everybody can do some gardening. You don't have to have you know, a big space to be gardening. See, I'm just using a cup, and that works out well. So there we go. This is basically done. I'm going to just add a little bit more of soil in it, just to top it up, and then I'm just going to water it. And this is a good activities to do with the children while you guys are home, to do some planting, and we're planting spring onions in a cup. So here we go, guys. There's my herb. I've placed it on the kitchen sill, I guess, and that's it. There you go, my friends. Don't forget, not everyone that wonders is lost, and always strive for something better.